Let's get right to it. Material management is a crucial aspect of any industry that deals with physical goods. Whether you're in manufacturing, construction, or even retail, understanding how to manage materials effectively can make or break your business. Material management is all about getting the right stuff at the right price to the right place at the right time. It's a complex dance of logistics, procurement, and inventory control. It's the backbone of industries like manufacturing and construction. Without a well-oiled material management system, even the most well-planned projects can face delays and increased costs. Without it, projects grind to a halt and costs skyrocket. Imagine a construction site where workers are standing idle because the materials they need haven't arrived, or a manufacturing plant where production lines are stopped because of a shortage of essential components. Think of it like this. You're building a house, you need a variety of materials from lumber and nails to drywall and paint. Each of these items needs to be available at the right stage of construction. You need lumber, nails, drywall, the whole 9 yards, but it's not just about having these materials, it's about having them in the right quantities and at the right time. Material management makes sure you have enough of each item without overspending or ending up with a mountain of unused supplies. This involves careful planning and forecasting to ensure that resources are used efficiently. The goal is simple: get the job done efficiently and affordably. That means minimizing costs, reducing waste, and ensuring that materials are available when needed. Ensuring a steady supply of materials so that work can continue without interruption. This requires a well-coordinated effort between suppliers, logistics teams, and on-site managers, keeping waste to a minimum and boosting overall productivity. Efficient material management also involves recycling and reusing materials whenever possible to reduce costs and environmental impact. These are the core objectives of effective material management. It's about creating a seamless flow of materials from suppliers to the end product, ensuring that every step of the process is optimized. Bottom line, material management is about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging technology, data, and best practices to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. It's about maximizing resources and getting the most bang for your buck. By mastering material management, businesses can improve their bottom line, reduce waste, and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Now let's break down the key functions of material management. Material management is the backbone of any successful operation, ensuring that the right materials are available at the right time and place. It involves a series of interconnected activities that streamline the flow of materials from suppliers to the end product. It's like a well-oiled machine, with each part playing a crucial role. Each function is essential to maintain the balance and efficiency of the entire system. Without proper material management, production can come to a halt, leading to delays and increased costs. Planning. This is where it all starts. You figure out what materials you need, how much and when. It's all about forecasting demand and creating a roadmap for procurement. Effective planning helps in avoiding overstocking or stockouts, ensuring that production runs smoothly without interruptions. Purchasing. Time to go shopping. This involves finding suppliers, negotiating prices, and placing orders. Getting the best deal is crucial. It's not just about the cost, but also about the quality and reliability of the suppliers. Building strong relationships with suppliers can lead to better terms and more reliable deliveries. Receiving. The goods arrive. You need to check the order, make sure everything's there, and document the delivery. This step is vital to ensure that the materials received match the purchase order and meet the required standards. Any discrepancies need to be addressed immediately to avoid production delays. Inspecting. Quality control time. You inspect the materials to ensure they meet your standards and specifications. No one wants shoddy materials. This step helps in maintaining the quality of the final product and reduces the risk of defects and returns. Storing. You need a safe and organized place to keep your materials until they're needed. Proper storage prevents damage, theft, and waste. Efficient storage solutions also make it easier to track inventory levels and retrieve materials quickly when needed. Dealing with surplus and scraps. Inevitably, you'll end up with extra materials or scraps. Figuring out how to sell, reuse, or dispose of them is key. Effective management of surplus materials can lead to cost savings and environmental benefits. Recycling and reusing materials can also contribute to a more sustainable operation. Let's bring this to life with an example. Imagine you're building a house, again because it's a great analogy. This isn't just any house, it's your dream home, a place where every detail matters. Here's how material management plays out. It's the backbone of your construction project, ensuring everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Planning. You sit down with the blueprints and estimate how much lumber, concrete, wiring, and everything else you'll need. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. Timing is key. You don't want materials arriving before you need them. Early deliveries can clutter the site, and late deliveries can delay the project purchasing. You contact lumber yards, concrete suppliers, and electrical wholesalers to get the best prices and delivery schedules. Negotiating these deals can save you a lot of money and headaches down the line. Receiving. Truckloads of materials arrive at the construction site. This is where the real action begins. You check the packing slips against your orders and note any discrepancies. This step ensures that you get exactly what you paid for. Inspecting. You examine the lumber for warping, the concrete for consistency, and the wiring for defects. Quality control is essential to avoid future problems. Anything that doesn't meet your standards gets sent back. It's better to deal with these issues now rather than later when they can cause significant delays. Storing. Lumber is stacked and covered, concrete is stored properly to prevent curing issues, and wiring is kept dry and organized. Proper storage prevents material degradation and loss. Dealing with surplus and scraps. You end up with leftover lumber and scrap metal. This is a common occurrence in construction projects. You either sell it to a salvage yard or find a way to reuse it on the project. This not only saves money, but also promotes sustainability. See how that works? Each step ensures the project runs smoothly, on time, and within budget. Effective material management is the key to a successful construction project, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. By meticulously planning, timing, purchasing, receiving, inspecting, storing, and managing surplus, you create a seamless workflow. This not only keeps the project on track, but also ensures that every resource is used to its fullest potential. From the initial foundation to the final finishing touches, material management is there every step of the way. It's the unsung hero that keeps everything moving forward. And when the project is finally complete, you can look back and see how each step of material management contributed to the success of your dream home. It's a journey of precision, coordination, and dedication. So the next time you see a construction site, remember the intricate dance of material management happening behind the scenes. It's what turns blueprints into buildings, plans into reality. Section 4. Wrapping up Part 1, laying the foundation for efficient operations. Material management isn't glamorous, but it's essential. It's the unsung hero of countless industries, ensuring projects are completed efficiently and cost-effectively. Remember, it's about getting the right stuff to the right place at the right time for the right price. Key functions include planning, purchasing, receiving, inspecting, storing, and dealing with surplus. Done right, it saves time, reduces waste, and boosts productivity. We've just scratched the surface here. In Part 2, we'll dive deeper into more advanced techniques and strategies like integrated systems, material management, organizational hierarchies, and different inventory management techniques. Section 5, Looking Ahead, Part 2, Advanced Techniques and Strategies. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore integrated systems, how software and technology are revolutionizing material management. MMO hierarchies, unveiling the organizational structures behind efficient material flow. Inventory techniques from just-in-time to ABC analysis will break down the methods for optimizing inventory levels. Get ready to take your understanding of material management to the next level.